Why does a plastic bottle crackle when you crush it? The answer will surprise you. It's not just noise, it's physics happening right in your hands. When bottles are made, their plastic molecules are stretched and locked under tension like a coiled spring. Squeeze it, and this trapped stress suddenly releases, snapping molecules back into place. That's the crackling sound. Thicker bottles have more stress, making louder, sharper crackles. Thin bottles, softer snaps. Every time you crush a bottle, you're hearing a tiny, invisible battle of physics, energy being released instantly. It's like the bottle is whispering its own hidden story if you just listen closely. Discover more hidden science in everyday things. Join the Seedha Point family and hit subscribe. Let's uncover the world together.